In this video, I'm going to show you how to use video as a ringtone on Samsung Galaxy phones. So here you're basically going to use video as a Samsung phone incoming calls. Whenever you have an incoming calls on Samsung, the video is going to play and it's going to play the video song along with the visual interpretation of the song. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to use video as ringtone on Samsung phone, all you just need to do is open the phone app. Then once you open the phone app, click on the three dots at the top right, then click on settings. Now this is going to take you to where to configure your call settings. Here, click on call background. Now click on background on this page. Once you select the background, you have option to access your gallery. Then under gallery, click on video and make sure you have the video you want to use as your incoming call video ringtone. So here, you just need to click on videos. Now locate the video section and choose any of the videos you want to use as your Samsung phone incoming call videos. Then here, let me choose this video. You see that? So you can also delete this and then select another video again from the list. So you want to use something fascinating or interesting. So go ahead and choose the video. So let's use this comedy as the video background like this. Now once you're done, click on this cut icon to edit the video if it is more than 15 seconds. Then click on done. This is going to trim the video, but if you have a 15 seconds video, there's no need for this. And then this is what you're going to see. Now click on use video song as background, then click on use video song as ringtone. Before you proceed, you can just play this. So turn this on to use as a ringtone, then set as call background. There you go. Then whenever you have an incoming call to this Samsung device, it's going to use the video as a ringtone. That is it. So this is how you can easily use video as a ringtone on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.